So I'm going to show you how to do some simple stretches at home that will help to improve your back flexibility and often can eliminate most back pain problems. A lot of pain comes from the back and sometimes come just from stress from muscles. You've had problems with your back, from injury or something like that, and you want to consult your doctor before you participate in these stretches. But you can do these stretches with me. They're really quite simple. You just need to find a small space in your home that you can clear out to do the stretches. So the first thing that we're going to do is just a simple touch your toes. So each one of these stretches you're going to hold for about a count of 20. So I'll count the first one out, but most of them I'll be doing silently. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now the next one that we're going to do, I'm going to do on my knees just so you can see it a little better. I'm going to reach over to the side. Reach your arm over as far as you can. Again, up to 20. Make sure you're counting full counts. Like if you want to say 1 1,000, 2 1,000, so that you don't just speed through the counting. Here on the other side again. Reach over as far as you can and feel the stretch. A lot of that stretching is side muscles too, but a lot of the back is, of course, connected to the spine. So we can do some other stretches that have to do with the neck as well. This one doesn't stretch the back as much. You might feel some pressure down here, but this is called butterfly. And you want to tuck your head down a bit as you're stretching down. You'll feel a little bit of pressure in your back. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do a little bit with our neck, because the neck, of course, is part of the spine. So the first one is just to hold your head down with your hands like this. Apply a small amount of pressure. The same thing, only holding your head to the side, keeping your shoulders down. And on the other side. Now, what I want you to do is tuck your chin down and just roll your neck a little bit back and forth. Don't go too far back. Now I want you to look up as far back as you can. Okay. Now this is a common one that stretches your quad muscles, your leg muscles, but also can do some for stretching your back. So we're going to do this for a count of 20. switch legs. You're really going to want to pull your arm over and cause that tension in your back muscles so that you can feel it and it will really stretch those muscles. And on the next one, you're really going to feel in your back. You're going to hold one leg out stretched out straight, and cross the other one over. And then you're going to bring your opposite elbow across your leg like that, and push your bended leg off to the side with your elbow like this. And you're going to look back as far as you can. You can do these ones a little bit longer if you want to, since you can really feel it in your back there. You can hold those ones a little bit longer, just because I can feel it more. Next one, I'm going to turn to the side just so you can kind of see here. I'm going to hold my hands down toward my butt down there, and I'm going to pull while I look down and feel it all along your spine. Now the next one I'm going to show you is really more stretch for your stomach muscles. Stomach muscles are opposite of your back muscles, so they kind of correlate in an opposite way. But you also feel it in your back. What you want to do is you want to bend your stomach down toward the ground, kind of like you're getting ready to do a push-up, except you let your knees down. Now you can turn to the side a little bit so you can see here. And what you want to do is just push up with your hands and arch your back as much as you can. Now to kind of release the tension of all that, what I usually do is I just kind of bend forward, like a prostrate position like this for a little bit. There you go, and those are some basic stretches that you can do at home. If you want, you can replay the video and do the stretches along with me whenever you need to do stretches. That way it will help bring some greater flexibility in your back, help release some tension in the muscles in your back. Like I said, a lot of back pain that people experience, I'm not saying it's in all cases, but it's due to just muscle tension, muscle fatigue, and having greater flexibility, having greater looseness in your back will really help eliminate some of that pain. My wife's back was bothering me some time ago, and I showed her these stretches. She was thinking she was going to have to get a massage or go to a chiropractor or something. We did these stretches, and like the pain went away right away. And it's just a simple way to eliminate some smaller issues that happen with back pain. Again, if you're having long-term back pain, you may want to consult a professional about what actually might be going on with your back. Maybe you can get some prayer or something. But those are, like I said, some basic stretches that will help you to relieve some of the common strain and tension that's in back, and hopefully help eliminate the need to go see a massage therapist or a chiropractor. It's a cheap alternative to just living in some kind of